Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can use the dimmer tool in your documents on Bluebeam Revu. So let us guide you through this. So head over to your document here on Bluebeam, and you can access the dimmer tool by clicking into view at the top. Here guys, at the bottom you will see the dimmer tool. Hover your mouse over it and then you may choose dim content or use the shortcut Ctrl F5. So let us take a look at how it would look like. Ctrl F5 and it would look like this. So the text will be grayed out, and if you use Control and F5 again, you may undo this. Now you can also use various stages or levels of this dimmer, of that dimmer, for example 10%, 30 or 100. So let us take a look at 80% and it would look like this. And that's it guys. So let me return to 0% and it would basically make the text go away. So we go back to 100% to unhide the text. That's how it works guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.